My name is Nicholas de Bruin, part of Wevolve Labs, and this is our project, the BioNest.
BioNest is a project about designing with nature. The project encompasses 5 freestanding lanterns that range from 5 to 22 feet tall, and they feature a biomaterial skin that was invented specifically for this project, and it's entirely biodegradable and made mostly out of seaweed and site-specific plants and leaves. We spent time getting into the landscape in different areas of Texas, from Marfa and all over Austin, harvesting the native plants which were incorporated into the biomaterial, giving it a site-specific materiality. The material is made by mixing together all the ingredients with water, casting them into a mold, and then letting them dry in a dehydrator for 16 hours. It kind of had a really nice translucent quality and diffused the light, really highlighting the ecology and plant matter in the material. The biomaterial was tailor-fit to each individual part of each structure, and it was woven in between the wood slats. The structural grid frame was made by steam bending long strips of oak and then bending them into curvature forms and weaving them together. Each lantern featured LED lighting that was fully customizable and programmable and changed in sync to a custom soundtrack that we developed specifically for this project. And it really brought them to life for audience members, and it was amazing to see the interactions of the people that came to view it, who would stay sometimes 30 minutes or longer because it was never the same twice. The project is a study in sustainable design. It aims to join in the conversation on how we can partake in the new circular economy by designing with nature, tradition, and renewable materials.